Yo, 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 what's happening? We're checking out the different light sequences with this Bauer light in the dark. And you can see it's pretty intense. So what we might do is we might add a little front lighting. This is kind of cool. So let's kind of scroll through some of the effects and ooh. I feel like I'm in one of those ghost shows. So this is the rainbow effect. This has been the most disappointing one of all because I'm looking at this full spectrum of color moving and what I'm seeing here is nothing. It's just kind of white. So we got like the movement. The movement's kind of neat. And we got like color change. That's a nice fade. And we're going to the blue. All right, so we got some good stuff here. We got the yellow going, we're getting to a little purple. So it's looking pretty good. All right, and then we have like kind of the rainbow. I can see that one moving. It's got some good movement there. We got the red, that's just weird. All right, now it's going in another direction. So you do get the movement. So it's got that going for it. Whoa. That's intense. That's a little more mellow. It's kind of Christmassy. That would be neat for making like a craft video for a stocking or some ornaments. Kind of fun, kind of party-like. And there we go. Now we're having Christmas party. We're gonna dip some cookies in some milk. All right. And we're gonna do UCLA game. And chill. I like that. It's like chill. It's like moving across my face. All right. Whoa. Summer sauna. All right. Freezing cold. That's what that looks like. Neat. Kind of blinding my eyes. But, interesting. It's got like a subtle movement to it. A little fade. All right. And a little quicker, not a whole lot happening there versus what I'm seeing. Again, when you get the multicolors, it just kind of turned white. Even more colored, it just turned light. So, I mean, let's see. Does it doesn't even get better when you get up close. Like, what if I get further away? Nothing special happening with that. The really wild effects just aren't doing that much, not in this situation. So, oh man, it's like nuclear inferno! Ah! That. Oh, that's just, whoa. I think, oh my goodness. Help me. All right, so we're popping into the whites. This would be great for taking like a picture of something, doing like a foodie blog. You want to really see those greens, you want something mellow, you want something straightforward for your artwork. That's good here. And I don't really know. So we got brightness levels. We can like kind of notice now we're toning them down. Okay, so that's kind of a cool effect we didn't mess with earlier. So we get more brightness. Oh my gosh, super brightness. Let's see if the rainbow does. Let's get to that rainbow. All right, so here we are at rainbow. If we drop it, nothing's really happening. And if we raise it, we're picking up speed. Holy smoke. What I'm looking at is crazy. What you're seeing, nothing. That's where the 10 doesn't come into play. All right, but overall, like I said, amazing product. And we are out.